boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Ferguson, and it's so nice to meet you. I cannot wait to be your teacher this year. I know that school is gonna look a little bit different, but I can't even tell you, I am so excited to be back in the classroom at Conley School, and I really hope that you guys are gonna be just as excited as I am. Obviously, we're gonna be wearing masks this year, and we're gonna go through all of that when you come to school. The number one thing is, I can't wait for you to walk through those doors this week. So, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the classroom so you have an idea of what it looks like. We are in room 21. I have 2 doors to my classroom. We primarily just use one door for entering and exiting. So when you come on the first day, I will meet you in the hallway and I will walk you through coming into the classroom. So, let me see if I can switch my camera around and give you a quick tour of your new 4th grade classroom. Here we have the front of the room. This is Mrs. Ferguson's desk, and it borders right up against the Promethean board where we're going to be doing most of our work this year. As I come over a little bit, you can see, well, actually over there, that's the other door that we're not going to probably use as much, but then over here is the door that you will be coming in. Then we have our closets. We've got some fun stuff over here we're gonna discuss when you come in. Inside of our closets, let's see here. Everybody has a cubby of their own with their own little pencil box and ruler. And I've put some things in your pencil box, and then you'll be able to add some of your own things as well. And then we've got another closet. We have where we put our daily goals and objectives. We have a big counter space with all of your book bins. We've also got some air conditioning in here, which is amazing. So you might want to bring a sweatshirt in case it gets a little bit cool. Back here is where I'm working on putting together a little library for all of you. I haven't quite finished that up yet. Then over here we've got our Chromebooks, which we're going to be using every day, as well as a sink area where we'll be washing our hands and sanitizing often. And here's our Promethean board again, and my desk. And here are your desks. They are all 6 feet apart. Right now they have a lot of things on them because we're working on getting the room together, but we are all safely distanced in the room from each other, and I have a really big classroom, so we're pretty lucky. Yeah, and that's it. We will have to wear masks in the room. I'm in here by myself right now, so I wanted to show you my face and just give you a smile and tell you I am so excited for you to come. So I hope you enjoyed our virtual open house, and I cannot wait to see some of you tomorrow, and then all of you on Wednesday virtually, and then some of you on Thursday and Friday. But I will see you soon, and I can't wait. Bye, guys.